How to use Spotify on Discord. So the very first thing, we want to connect our Discord to Spotify. So what we want to do is we're gonna go ahead right here to user settings, okay, and afterwards you're gonna go ahead into the connection section and you're gonna see add accounts to your profile. So we're gonna add Spotify, okay, and we're gonna wait for a couple seconds until, and as you can see right here, it's uploading and I'm connecting my Spotify to Discord. So as you can see right here, I've already connected my Spotify to Discord. And make sure after you connect your account to display on profile and display Spotify as your status. So next we're gonna cancel, and let's say for example I want to share music, okay, or I want to listen to music. So you're gonna open our Spotify app on our laptop and we're gonna open this music. So because that I can't open the music, I muted it because it has copyright, so that's why. So what we want to do is we want to just click the plus button. You're gonna see right here the invite general to listen to Spotify, or invite your voice room or the room that you are in to listen to Spotify. So let's say I want to open this song, okay, I'm gonna open it, and as you can see I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna invite people to listen to this song. So if anyone wants to join, I'm gonna just send invite, and basically everyone who wants to listen to my songs will eventually come, or essentially come. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.